G'day guys, my name's Nick and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in your Oricom external tyre pressure sensors. The first step in replacing the batteries is to remove the sensor from the valve stem. To do this, we just need to use the spanners supplied in the kit to push back the dustproof cover and loosen the locking nut half a turn. Now we can remove the external sensor from the valve stem. Using the special tools supplied in the kit, we can now disassemble the external pressure sensor and replace the batteries. For the first step, we just need to remove the washer in the back of the sensor. Using the special tools supplied in the kit, we can now unscrew the sensor cover and set aside. Now we can gain access to the CR1632 button battery and replace as necessary. Now, the battery can easily be removed and replaced by sliding it out from under the battery clamp. We just need to ensure that the battery is fitted correctly on reassembly, with the positive side of the battery facing upwards towards the plus on the battery clamp. Now that we've replaced the battery, we can reassemble the sensor in the reverse order and refit it back to the correct tyre. So there you go guys, that's exactly how easy it is to carry out the battery replacement on your Oricom external tyre pressure monitors.